Everyone laughs at your snoring until it becomes a medical emergency. Snoring is not normal. It means your airway is collapsing while you sleep, which causes sleep apnea and leads to oxygen levels dropping, blood pressure rising, increase in heart rate, risk of stroke, and heart attack goes up. And the worst part, you don't even know it's happening. This is not about disturbing your partner. This is about whether your brain and heart are getting enough oxygen every night. At OGHA, we just don't silence the sound. We find the root cause. We check your breathing, then scan your airway to see how serious it really is. Book your snoring test now.